Also, we got Jesus' famous Volcano Salmon over bok choy with the pineapple salsa. Yes, sir, baby. Kosher, man. This right here is the Volcano Salmon. Jesus' famous dish is Volcano season. Yes, sir, baby. Here we go right here. Kosher, man. I'm made in BK, Brooklyn, New York. Shout out to my Brooklyn peeps. Gun, aka Scooter. Don't say I ain't give you a shout out, boy. GHS. Coach, don't matter. Oh, yeah. Can't have that without Run MC, baby. Ultimate. Shout out to the 5 boroughs. Coach, don't matter. Look at this bok choy up under there right there, baby. They said that bok choy is something like a cabbage and a lettuce. Coach, don't matter. We got the red onions. Got the pineapples. Got the tomatoes. Coach, don't matter. And get them in there. A little garlic up in there. Just a salsa. This is a homemade salsa right here. Pineapple sauce. Gdepps pineapple sauce. Coors Light. Holla at me, baby. You already know I need a sponsor. Okay, check this out. We got the hot sauce squad back here, baby. We got the blackened seasoning. We got the seafood blend. We got the Italian blend. We got, oh yeah, the 5-footers. Chamaise, garlic, and herb rub. Yes, sir, baby. That's 5-footers. You know what I'm saying? You know who that is. Coach, you don't matter. She got her own rub now. She going crazy. Anyway, we got the poultry rub. Oh, yeah, this certified hot sauce right here, baby. Look at that right there. What'll that taste? See hot sauce block look like that? You already know it's heat. Coach, you don't matter. If I make my own hot sauce and I say hot sauce on all my videos, from day one, done deal. Certified, baby. Shout out to Frank Gonzalez for the logo, baby. Certified hot sauce. Okay, we got the tropical blend right there. That's from Miami peeps, baby. Oh, shit. Fort Lauderdale. Yeah. All-purpose rub. Oh, yeah. You can put this on a car bumper, a little olive oil. Done deal. You might eat the bumper. Got the steak seasoning. And then we got the volcano rub, what we doing right now, baby. And you got the jerk, baby. And this right here is the jerk with heat. There's a difference. I got a mild and I got one with heat, baby. Some of the island people, they want that heat, baby. Anyway, Kosher, man. Look at the outside squad back there, baby. Looking like no limit. Look like the bullet for AR right there. The bullet for the AR. Look at that. AR-15 lined up. Look at that. Straight slugs. Anyway, look at that right there, baby. Don't get no better than that. Run DMC, baby. This right here, Jesus' famous dish is Volcano Salmon over bok choy with the pineapple sauce. Kosher, man. Don't get no better than that. Hot sauce, baby.